my gosh, look at that. How you see this one now? It was so delicious. So this recipe will blow your mind. Hello, sweetie. Welcome back. Today we are making the most delicious chicken recipe for everybody. Have chicken already washed. That is half kg of chicken. Over here, guys, we have chicken spices. So I'm going to be leaving the names of the ingredients in the comment section. Don't forget to check it out. So what I do now is to add in oil. I'm done adding the oil, then I mix everything together like this. Now I'm done mixing, it looks so nice. Yes, now I will be adding the ingredient on top of the chicken. So now I'm going to massage the chicken with these spices, just like this. Don't forget to wash your hand. Mine is already washed. Massage until everything gets combined. So guys, look at that. At this point, I'm done mixing everything. It looks so nice. So now I'm going to cover that to get marinate for 30 minutes. So guys, on this pan we are going to be adding a little bit of oil. So don't let the oil to cover the pot. This one is okay. 30 minutes of marinating the chicken. At this point, we are going to be frying that. Add everything. So you gotta let that to fry for 10 minutes. So at this point, you don't have to be stirring. Just let it to fry for 10 minutes. Look at that, it's frying so nice. So guys, this is 10 minutes of frying. Let me turn the other side. Wow, look at that. Wow, wow. So let's get the other side to get fried again. I just love this. I'll bring it out from this because it's so nice. Wow, I just like how this gets fried. So amazing. Wow, look at that. That was so nice. In the same pot, we are going to be adding ginger and garlic paste. I'll be adding some dashed onions. So now I will add in some tomato paste. I will stir everything and let this to get fried for 5 minutes without adding any other ingredient for now. So guys, see how the sauce get fried just like this. It fries so nice. So let's just to get fried like this. We are going to enjoy it. Now I will be adding some chicken stock, adding the spices, salt. So all this is chicken spices, guys. So what I add next is dark soy sauce. I will get that stirred together. So guys, I will be adding this quantity of water. So I'll be adding some parsley. So at this point, guys, the chicken is coming in here to arrange the chicken inside this sauce. Add everything like this. Yeah, so I'll add in the sauce on top of it like this. So we gotta let this to get cooked for 30 minutes, guys. And after that, we are enjoying this chicken stew. Oh my god. Cover that to get cooked for 30 minutes. Like this. 30 minutes later, let's see what we guys. At this point, the food done. The chicken has fried so nice and it cooks so amazing. So amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this already. So guys, let's serve that. Wow. Look at that now. So nice. I love every bit of this sauce, and this chicken was so delicious. It cooks so nice. And let's get that taste, guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. How you see this one now? It was so delicious. So I love this chicken sauce already. The chicken recipe is giving. Wow. So guys, let's test it. Oh my gosh. What a delicious. So soft, so delicious, so amazing, and a lot of flavor is coming out from this chicken, and you are going to love it. It's just so nice. It tastes so amazing. Give it a try. I love you. In my next one, bye.